Coach, congratulations for this victory. It's a good jumping point for the tougher match ahead. So what can you say about your team's performance this afternoon?
We were very wary of UE, of course. They have nothing to lose, and everybody, sometimes those are dangerous teams. But I'm so happy that the team responded the way they did, maturity, and we started off a little bit flat, but we were able to pick it up in second to fourth quarter. So I'm happy na nagmamature na yung team.
Thank you to Hannah. You have 18 points on 7 of 30 shooting, 2 steals, 1 block. So, what can you say about this win? It's a very important one, especially you're trying to stay in the top 3.
Yeah, this win was really important. Coach emphasized in the locker room how this could potentially secure us top 4 spot. So, yeah, we really needed this one.
Very good, Hannah.
Good. So, Erica, you had 10 points, 6 assists, 5 steals, and 3 rebounds. Another good all-around game for you. So, ano man sabi mo na yun nga, ito magandang jumping point to, especially pabigat yung mga laban nyo para mag-stay kayo sa top 4.
Yun nga, una sa lahat, lagi naman sinasabi ni Coach sa amin na 1 game at a time. And importante din tong game sa amin. Kasi, ayun nga, kailangan namin ma-secure yung spot namin sa Final Four. And kahit hindi masyadong maganda yung start namin, gumawi naman kami ng second half.
Take away the first over for
Coach, obviously always talking about yung Twin Towers ng Ateneo, but today you have some of your front court or back court here, and a lot of them perform really well, especially with the defense focus of JC. Ano na lang masasabi mo dun sa contributions of your guards also?
I think that's what I was very excited about with the preseason. We have our rookies, one on my right, one on my left. Very talented. Of course, they're still getting used to the rigors and the intensity of the UAP. Pero they're very talented, and that really excites me. We know that we have the Twin Towers, but our guards are very good. May konting growth and maturity pa, but if we get there, I think we can go places.
Hannah, Coach mentioned growth and maturity. Obviously, for you coming in from the States, how was the experience for you in 10 games in? How would you say have you integrated into the system and into the UAP?
I'm not gonna lie, it's been a rocky first few games for me. But thanks to the coaching staff and my teammates, I've really gotten that confidence to shoot the ball whenever I have it. So yeah, just confidence.
Erica, ikaw naman, syempre nung high school, talagang ikaw yung focus ng offense ng team mo before. And how are you fitting into your new role na, kumbaga as a rookie, syempre hinahanap mo pa kung ano yung ipi-play mo dito sa team na to, especially may mga kasama ka nga yung MVP si Casey, and then of course other more veteran teammates.
Syempre, ako, gagawin ko lang kung ano yung kaya kong i-contribute sa team. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun is mawawala na yung dati kong laro.
Yeah.
Kasi si coach naman lagi niya akong sinasabihan na laruin ko kung ano yung laro ko, kung ano yung kaya kong i-contribute sa team. So, hindi.
For games you have your hands full.
Yeah.
Just your thought on at least getting the first 3 first 3 games behind you, and how the team approach.
Lasal, no? I think we have Lasal on Sunday.
Yes.
Then USP. Yeah, I'm very excited. Our team, tumutono na kami. I think, eto si Hannah, medyo nagtago ng konti, no? But alam naman namin yung talent ni Hannah. Obviously, Erica. So I think pag tumono tayo ng konti, marami din tayong mapapahirapan. And I think ang first step talaga is to get into the Final Four. I don't know how many, I'm not good at math, pero maybe 2 or 3 more wins to get in. And then hopefully makahabol pa kami. Makachamba kami ng 2 wins. And then makachamba pa kami, baka makasilat-silat pa somewhere dun sa top 2.
Coach, obviously speaking of the top 2 also, yung losses niyo so far this season is coming from yung mga nasa taas. But for the rest of the field, parang, very competitive yung team and very good. What do you think is Or what do you think needs to happen pa in order to, catch up to those two and, be more competitive also?
You already mentioned it. Our guards need to mature and grow. And I think our twin towers are solid. So when the guards start maturing, our wings will be ready for prime time. So consistency. The talent is there, the willingness to learn, pero the teachability is there for sure. Ganda ng attitude. Konting experience, saka konting tono, and hopefully we can match up to those top two teams.
For the two players, how are you taking that challenge? Coach says that, that's what needs to happen for Ateneo to be able to get to the next level. Guards to be more consistent.
Nako, tinanong niyo pa itong dalawa, pag-uuntokin ko to. Ikaw,
Ako, syempre, challenge ko din yung sarili ko para mag-improve pa. And lagi naman nandiyan dyan yung teammates ko and coaching staff para i-guide ako sa kung anong kailangan ko pang i-improve. And willing naman ako sa mga mag-learn sa mga tinuturo nila. Kasi gusto ko talagang matalo yung nasa taas and manalo at makaabot kami sa championship.
I'd say what Coach said, one game at a time, that's how we'll grow, is by even reflecting on this game, seeing what we can do better as guards. So yeah, following games, just keep learning.